Cubes, what's up? So this is part 5 of our snowstorm of New Jersey, January 4th. So I think I might make up to 8 parts today. All our Christmas decorations are almost covered. Like the snow's almost like eating it up. Look at our snow. Stuffing out, well, like 4, I think. It's like 103. I think part 6 will make it 2. It will collect. Part 6 at 2. I think part 7 at 3 and part 8 around when the snow's gonna stop. See how much the snow could gain. So look at it. The heavy snow stopped. It's not too much blowing. Look at it. Look at the wires. They're all covered up except a little bit. The snow trucks stopped coming, I think, because I haven't seen them around 1 hour ago. I think now because all the roads are been clear, they've been around since like 7 a.m. So bye.